Good morning on July 10th, 2020. We are in our final stages of our final exam. So today what we're looking at, we went through step 1, step 2, 3, 4, and now we're on to ACLs. So first thing we want to remember is we're translating the server with the internal 10.10.10.254 to the external global address of 190.10.10.3. So what we want to do is verify connectivity, and then we're going to write our ACL. Very simple ACL. So first thing we'll do is see if we can ping from PC0 to the server. I'm using the history command. So there's my ping, .3, successful. So I'm going to try to telnet to 190.10.10.2, which is the S00 or S010 in Akron. So we should get a prompt with the password Cisco. And I'm into the router. Last is FTP. And username is Cisco. Now I'm in FTP. So let's verify we can get to the web address. We'll use IP first. Then we'll use DNS if we have to set up. I believe it is. Let's see what we have on DNS. Nothing. So DNS is not set up. So we're not going to test DNS. Only IP. All right, so what we're going to do is write an ACL. Remember, we're going to write it in Notepad. We're going to number our lines. If you don't remember why we're numbering, go back and review. So we're writing a extended. So remember, extended blocks, source, destination, port per direction, standard only blocks, source, address. Akron ACL underscore is my name, and it has to match down here, case sensitive. In the IP access group is where you apply the ACL and the direction. So this ACL is going to permit TCP, which is layer 4 protocol, any IP to host 190.10.10.3, which is our server. And it's going to go through port 80. And then the second statement says deny any. So the only services we'll be running after we run this ACL will be the web address, www. We'll copy. Expand the window so we can see all the commands. Press enter, so no errors, line by line. It looks good. Now we need to go to the interface and apply it. So you write the ACL, and then we apply it to the interface. Just like NAT and PAT when we do that, inside and outside NAT. So it's IP access group, Akron underscore capital ACL, make sure it's correct, and we're going to go in. So what that means is this is the source, it's traveling this direction, and it's allowing the in on this serial. All right, so real quick connectivity test. Let's go back to ping. Now it's unreachable. So remember, destination unreachable means it got to a layer 3 device. It cannot find the individual IP. See, it's coming from .2. So that's actually the router. All right. So it looks like it's blocking FTP. No, wait for it to time out. Control C. And telnet. Once again, so we should be able to now go to 190.10.10.3, which is the web address, and it's working. So it's only allowing, so if I keep clicking these links, so it works. So let's go now let's see, you're the network administrator, and we want to see what's going on with the ACLs, the route of the firewall. So show IP access list. So we can see that we have 23 matches on www and then 41 matches on the denies. So if you went into a syslog or in more depth on a log file, you'd be able to see more of why they're being denied, what actually is happening. So that is your ACLs. And hopefully you have a less stressful summer and a final exam. Everybody will get 100. Just turn it in and we'll make it work. So there you go. I will see you guys next semester.